Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Strava app, which is a tracking app used to track your running and riding with GPS. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Strava. You can see the app here, Strava, Run, Bike, Hike. Click on the download arrow to download it. It will take some time to download depending upon the internet. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Now you can use this application to track your running, hiking, etc. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.